All right, 2416 Centennial Loop in Concord at Brushy Creek. All the way in the back of the neighborhood. Nice and quiet back here. You are right by Kalahari Water Park down the street. Right down here, you can almost see a little bit of it, is the playground, community playground. There's also a community pool. So this house has excellent curb appeal. I mean, look at that stone, these beautiful planters. Stones surround, you got a little pergola arbor up there. It's a 2.5 car garage, so you got extra space. Here's the outside looking in. Put a couple rocking chairs there. Think about your life. Neighbors' houses are all nice. Let's take a look inside. This house, 3512 square feet, 4 bedrooms and an office, 3.5 baths. This is the dining room. You got wood floors, engineered. Beautiful. That goes through to the kitchen, but we're gonna go over here first. Here is the office, super high ceiling. It looks probably like 12 feet high, I would say, guesstimate. You got the double glass doors. Over here is the garage. We'll just hit it. You got a little homework or book bag nook or briefcase if you got a briefcase still. Here's the extra big garage. You got the half car bay over there. You also have a 220 in the center if you have an electric car. We got you. Look at this soaring rotunda. Sweeping huge stairs on the staircase. You have a little homework station here for the kiddies so you can watch them, make sure. You got to crack the whip on them, make sure they're not getting distracted. Here is the washer dryer, laundry room, cabinetries. You got gas or electric for the dryer. Right here is the half bathroom. It's not a scarf, it's a sweat towel because I'm very hot. It's 9,000 degrees. If you're like, why is he wearing a scarf? Storage under the stairs. And then here is the living room. You got a gas fireplace, double height. Beautiful. And it's open to the kitchen area. You got white cabinetry. Beautiful. Granite counters, super white, like a marble-ish, stainless steel built-in appliances. This house is built in 2018. Looking out to the living area, wood floors out throughout here. Refrigerator is included. Got undermount lighting over here and here, built-in appliances again. Here's your pantry. Shelf, 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 shelf. It's a walk-in shelf, shelf, shelf. And then this is like a little buffet for your Thanksgivings. And then again, this goes through the dining room to the front door. All right, let's go to that primary. Oh, I'll give you a shot of this way. So you can see it's all open to it is just a very open floor plan. Gas fireplace. And then here's the primary bedroom. Vaulted ceiling. And then here's the primary bathroom. Double vanity. Separate shower tub. You got a rain shower. If you wanted to look up and pretend you're in a rainforest, you could do that at this property. Here's a little toilet closet. Not much to see in there. You got linen closet, shelf, 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 shelf. And then this primary closet is pretty good. Tons of shelves, lots of drawers. You got lots of racks. Can never have enough racks when you know you got your clothes. I mean, this is a nice built-in closet. Excellent. Me gusta. That was my poor attempt at Spanish. Let's look at the backyard. This is your breakfast area, by the way. Wood floors. The outside has a gas line for the grill. Here's your covering. This is a 1/4 acre lot almost. It's like 0.23. It's a big corner lot. You got a little side area. Here's your gas line for your grill. That I presume will be mulched, so nice little dog run it could be. Good size yard, very good. It's an excellent size. Could it be any bigger? Yes. Would you want it any bigger? No. I think it's perfect. Just the way it is. All right, let's hit the upstairs. This house definitely has a feel of being bigger than 3,500 square feet. You got stair lights, because we care about you and your ankles. All right, here's a shot of the downstairs. Pow. Mom, is the meatloaf ready? Just kidding. My mom's not here. So here's the huge game room. Massive. And it's got the wiring, I think, for a projector up here. And then the mounts, I guess, here and here. I think that right here and here, like oh yeah, and here and here. I think it's wired for speakers. Don't quote me on that because I don't know what's behind the little panels, but I'm just presuming. Here's another bathroom. So we come to the top of the stairs on your right. Game room, massive game room, bathroom, and then this is off by itself, this bedroom. So you have 3 bedrooms upstairs and 2 bathrooms. Shell or a closet? All right, so this bedroom gets its own bathroom and it shares with the game room guests. And then that's to one bedroom and this is to the other, but they are joined by not like a Jack and Jill, but it's they share toilet and shower, but they each have their own sink. So excellent for children or guests. I mean, whatever. Guess you don't want to have more bathrooms than you need because then the price goes up, you know? So just get what you need, right? Spotless clean. I might say this house is very clean. You have a little linen closet for your towels and your toilet papers. Toilet. Here's your other sink. So you can see this is that other doorway from the other one. And then here's the other bedroom. And then it's got the standard size closet. You know, you could put your Reeboks up there. If that's what kids are wearing nowadays, I don't know. So that's bedroom. So 3 bedroom, 2 bath upstairs. And then you see this goes to the upstairs. So I think that is all that I've shown. And yeah, if you have any questions, give me a call. 512-703-7416. Chris Matthews. Have a good day.